This is the Cat-Eye Velo 7 wired bike computer. Here's what comes in the box. The computer bracket that's wired to the sensor, the wheel magnet, zip ties, and a double-sided adhesive tape. A lithium battery is also included. Begin by removing the protective film on the screen of the computer and note its anatomy. Become familiar with the following buttons. This is the mode button on the front of the computer. Next, turn the computer over. On the back, you will find the set button and the AC button. Start by pressing the AC button using a pointed object. This will reset the computer. Turn it back over and you will have a flashing prompt to set a unit of speed. I'm changing to miles per hour. Quickly press the mode button to select. Then press the set button to store. Next, you'll need to select the tire size. You'll find this information on the side of your front tire. Mine is a 26-inch by 2.0. On the included instruction manual, there's a chart. Find the closest size on that chart. In this case, the closest size is the 26 by 1.95, which is 205 centimeters. Quick presses of the mode button will allow you to scroll through the different sizes. If you choose centimeters, you can fine-tune the size that fits your tire perfect. Do this by holding the mode button down for 2 seconds. Then make quick presses with the button to select that size. Once satisfied with the selected size, turn the unit over and press Set to store it. Next, you will select the 24-hour clock, also known as the military time, or standard 12-hour clock. Quick presses of the mode button will select which one you want. Then turn the unit over and press the Set button to store. Now you'll need to change the time. To change the hour, make quick presses on the mode button. To move over to the seconds position, press and hold the mode button for 2 seconds. Then make quicker presses to change these digits. Then turn over and press Set when finished. The bike computer is now ready to be installed. Choose which side of the bike you will mount to. I'm mounting on the right side of the bike. I'll begin by installing the wheel magnet. Take the wheel magnet and unthread the screw. Note the notch in the black piece. This is where the spoke will be received. Since I want to have the sensor on the right side, I'm placing the wheel magnet on a right-hand spoke. Mount in this manner. Then secure the magnet using the magnet screw. Here's the proper orientation of the wheel magnet. The screw head should be facing out to the right, and the notched piece is on the inside. Put the wheel magnet halfway up the spoke. Final placement will depend on where the sensor is mounted. Prepare the sensor for mounting. Clean a spot on the bike fork where it will be placed. Then take the sensor and peel the backing off to expose the adhesive. Install the sensor on the inside of the fork in this manner. Here's a better look of its position from the other side. When picking the spot for mounting, know that the wheel magnet needs to be within 5 millimeters of the sensor zone. Next, secure the sensor into place using zip ties in this manner. I'm using wire cutters to snip off the tag ends. Now run the wire to the handlebars while securing with zip ties. Begin by zip tying to the fork. Make sure you leave a little extra slack at this location so there's no hindrance when turning the fork. Then wrap the wire up one of the brake cables until you reach the handlebars. Next, peel off the backing from the double-sided adhesive tape and place in the desired mounting location of the computer. Position the computer bracket with the receiving end facing forward. Then thread zip ties through the supplied slots. Then zip into place and trim off the tag ends. And finally, slide the computer into the bracket. You should hear a click when properly seated. Installation is now complete, and now you can take it for a test ride.